The windstorm is crazy. It broke the trees.
Like all the trees are broken.
All the trees. No, and then in our front yard. Hold up. Bro, the literal tree broke. The tree broke in half. It used to be like up here, and it just split in half.
I don't think I can beat these leaves in a race.
No, like the tree literally fell on the house. Like what? No, and then this tree over here. Oh! I just heard a crack. A branch broke. Oh my! The whole tree just broke. Did you hear that crack?
Yeah.
No, one of the branches to this tree. Hold up. This branch fell in our backyard from that tree. Oh, it's getting bad. That tree's gonna break. Oh. What fell off? The what? Oh, that tree's not going off.
It looks like a roof to set off.
Oh. No, that tree in Tori's front yard, it actually just snapped in half. Like, how? I know, and he just woke up. Luckily, only a little bit of the house was damaged, though. Nothing much.